back to another video. This is Z from Sain Official. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to like, subscribe and share our channel. So today we are going to talk about how to change themes on Windows 10. Most of the people are asking about this one. So that is a very simple and easy method. The main thing is that you should be connected to the internet. So what you have to do is to right click on the desktop. Here you will see display setting and personalize. So click the personalize one, and after that you will go to the menu settings. Here you will see background, color, lock screen, theme, fonts, start and taskbar. Okay, so you have to just go to themes, and then after you click it, you can see that I have already downloaded a lot of themes and I am using most of them on a daily basis. So if you want to download, you can click Microsoft Store and it will launch the store. It will take some time, as you know, the store is a bit freaky and very slow. Microsoft should work on it. Okay, here you will go to the themes section. Here is the Windows themes. You have to click show all, and you have to open any one of them you like, and after that you have to download the theme you like. It will take some time. If your internet is fast, it will be launched immediately. So here you have to click get, and it will take some time for downloading, and after it is finished downloading, you have to come here and you will see the downloaded one. You just click on it and it will be applied on your computer. So that was all from today's video. So please like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.